Okay, so another bag that I absolutely love, and I really, really do love this. Everything about this bag is elegant and ladylike and soft and tactile and beautifully made. It's an absolute gorgeous, elegant bag. So it's by Mulberry. It's a Cheyne or Cheyne, I don't know how you pronounce it. It's Cheyne. Cheyne is what I'm going to call it. And it's black leather with this khaki colour python skin on the flap and the back. It's got this awesome shoulder strap, so you can either have it sort of like this, or you can pull this one up and have it in the middle. So I'm going to come back so you can see I'm about 5'4", and back size 8'10". So that's the way you cover the shoulder. It could go as a crossbody, just depending on how tall you are. And I'll show you what it's like as a shoulder if you use both straps. That's kind of what you're looking at. It feels really comfortable and nice. It comes with Mulberry dust bag and Mulberry care dock and tag. I'll show you some of the features. It just is beautiful. So obviously you've got this part leather, part chain strap. On the back, you've got one flat pocket. This is in the softest leather. I mean, it's just beautiful. And on the front, you've got, again, the khaki python flap and this gorgeous little lock. If I can hold it so I can show you. This gorgeous lock, which you flip, you open it like a book, and then that kind of pulls open that way, okay? And then inside, this is just the softest of leathers, all the way inside, lined in this beautiful black soft leather. It's got one zipped pocket just there. It's got Mulberry, just above the zip of the pocket. Oh yeah, maybe just. Can't quite get the light right, so you can see the Mulberry sign there. It feels so soft and so beautiful. It's got quite a nice shape and structure to it. Because of the leather, it's soft and tactile, but also it's going to hold its shape. It's got quite a nice structure to it. Condition, it is in excellent condition. So exterior is excellent. The interior is excellent. The hardware is excellent. I don't think it will show, but actually it's still got the plastic wrap. It won't, I don't think you'll be able to see that, but it still, maybe you can, still has the plastic wrap on the lock. And again on there, it's got the plastic wrap on it. So it's in excellent condition, super elegant, super ladylike. It really is, I mean, I can't keep saying beautiful, but it is a beautiful, beautiful piece of Mulberry. There is a link to this in the comments below if you want to go and look at it on the product page of our website. Follow the link in the comments below, it'll take you to our website. When you're on the website, sign up for the newsletter because you get 10% off your first purchase, so you could get 10% off this if you haven't already used it up, obviously. Also in the comments below, there's a link that you can follow us on Instagram. And of course, if you like our bag videos, then please give us a thumbs up.